this video I'm going to teach you how to make professional videos for TikTok with iMovie and your camera. So let's start the video. So I just switched to my phone to show you guys what the setup looks like. And it looks like this. We got a Rode video mic. We got the Sony camera turned sideways for the TikTok videos. And we got a studio light. So it's really important to make sure that when you turn your camera on, and not every camera has this, but to make sure that it's completely like horizontal with the green lights, as you can see, so you know it's perfect when you upload the video. So here you can see me recording the video for TikTok, and this is the final result. Stop scrolling for a second and watch the coin. I will make this coin disappear just like this, and now it's gone. If you like this, then make sure to like the video and follow me for more. So we recorded the video for TikTok on our camera, and now it's time to edit on the computer with iMovie. So let's head over to the computer. Okay, so now we got the screen on, the screen recording, and we're going to select our video for TikTok and open iMovie. This is the easiest way that I know to make professional looking videos for TikTok. Premiere Pro is also an option, but it's more difficult, I think. So what you're going to do is select your TikTok video, open a new project, and then just go ahead and go to this tool right here and turn the video sideways and make sure that the ceiling is on the right. Okay, so as you can see, my head and the ceiling is on the right side of the video. Now I'm gonna trim it down just to make it long enough for TikTok. And now I'm just going to select my outro. So I'll use my Tricksandbeats logo, and I will also turn this. So I'll just put a transition in between to make it look a little bit better. And what I'm going to do is select this last clip, go to the same tool again and turn it around. And now what I'm going to do, because I don't like the black bars that you're seeing, I'm going to select only the middle part of it. So it will be a lot more zoomed in, but at least there's no more black bars, so the whole screen is filled. And that's what I want. So it's perfect like this. And now what I'm going to do is just check it to make sure that everything is alright. And after that I'm going to export the file. So let's export the file right now. Yes, it's perfect like this. Okay, so let's export this. We'll go select a new name for your project, whatever you want, something like this. And I have the resolution at 1080. I filmed this in 4K, so it's really high quality, but for TikTok 1080 is good enough. So now I'm just gonna save the project, and we're gonna skip this part so you guys can see the final result. Okay, so now you're going to hit the space bar on your keyboard and click this icon right here that makes your video turn, and now it's in portrait instead of landscape. Now when you open it again, the preview, your video will be saved like this. And now you can export it, you can upload it to TikTok without the black bars on the top and the bottom. Okay, now let's go to tiktok.com and select to upload a video. Now go look for the saved video wherever you saved it. So, oh no, mine is in a different folder. Yeah, that's it. Okay, just to make sure. Okay, and now it's time to upload the video to TikTok, and after that select a nice thumbnail, and then put a nice title and some hashtags. I usually put different hashtags, some trending and some big ones like for you, for example, and also some niche hashtags like coin magic, etc. And that is how you make a professional looking video for TikTok with iMovie in your camera. I hope you liked it. If you did, then make sure to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe right here. And make sure to hit the notification bell as well so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.